Welcome back to Serial Chronicles. There are moments we have irrational thoughts, but it only really plays out in our head. Today, we have a story where it was planned and executed without remorse. Before we go any further, please give us a like and subscribe. Thank you. In the quiet town of Strongsville, Ohio, a sinister tale of premeditation, betrayal, and tragedy unfolds. Today, we delve into the chilling piece of evidence that not only got Mackenzie Shirilla jailed for 15 years, but also reveals a cold-blooded plan that shook the community to its core. It all started on a fateful day in July 2022 when Mackenzie Shirilla, a 20-year-old teen, embarked on a mission that would forever alter the lives of those involved. Fast forward to Monday, August 21st, 2023, and the courtroom was filled with tension as Shirilla sobbed uncontrollably while receiving her sentence. She was found guilty of the intentional act of causing a high-speed car crash that claimed the lives of her boyfriend, Dominic Russo, and his friend, Davion Flanagan. But what lay beneath the tears and remorse? Judge Nancy Margaret Russo did not mince words when she delivered the chilling sentence. She had a mission, and she executed it with precision. The mission was death, Judge Russo declared.
Those decisions have forever altered the futures of 3 families, and of you also, Mackenzie. And your decisions forever robbed,
leaving everyone in the courtroom stunned. The prosecution's case revealed a disturbing detail. Prior to the fatal crash, all 3 passengers, including Shirilla, had smoked marijuana at a friend's place. But this was no ordinary joyride. At approximately 5:30 a.m., Shirilla, with cold determination, accelerated her Toyota Camry to speeds of 100 miles per hour. The result, a catastrophic collision that transformed her car into a mangled wreck, hidden from sight until a passerby made a gruesome discovery 45 minutes later. However, the sinister twist came later. In November, Mackenzie Shirilla was arrested on murder charges, vehemently insisting it was an accident. She faced a barrage of charges including murder, felonious assault, aggravated vehicular homicide, drug possession, and possessing criminal tools as revealed in the court records. The verdict was delivered. Guilty on all counts. The prosecution argued that Shirilla was on a mission of death, a way to escape a toxic relationship. But what made this mission so chilling? Judge Russo, in her chilling verdict, pointed to a pivotal piece of evidence: surveillance footage. This footage showcased the horrifying moments when Shirilla, with cold intent, accelerated her car, crashing into a brick wall. Described as chilling, tragic, the footage revealed a young woman with a calculated agenda accelerating towards an unthinkable end. Judge Russo empathized. This is the type of evidence you can never unsee. She labeled Shirilla as literally hell on wheels, painting a disturbing picture of a person consumed by darkness. Shockingly, Judge Russo unveiled the horrifying ordeal Dominic Russo and Davion Flanagan endured in their final moment. There can be no doubt as to the absolute terror of the 2 people in that car, underscoring that this wasn't reckless driving but cold-blooded murder. As the sentence loomed, Mackenzie Shirilla, who had remained silent throughout the trial, finally spoke in court.
with Davion Flanagan in violation of Ohio Code Section 2903.02A, discharging count 2 of the indictment. Count 3, murder.
Tears streaming down her face, she addressed the families of Dominic and Davion, expressing profound sorrow and insisting on her innocence. But her words couldn't erase the chilling evidence that sealed her fate. As Strongsville grapples with the aftermath of this horrifying event, one thing remains clear. The chilling piece of evidence presented in that courtroom not only led to justice, but uncovered a dark plan that will haunt the community for years to come. Thank you for joining us on this suspenseful and intriguing journey. Subscribe and hit that notification bell for more spine-tingling stories like this one. Thank you.